Hello and welcome to this video. So I haven't really filmed a video in like 4 months. My last video was in November and I don't really have an excuse why. It's just I just didn't really have any ideas or anything, and I haven't really had like any time or like creativity to make any videos, but I want to make them again because I really do enjoy it. Right, so I'm going to start by concealing my eyelids, aka priming them, but I don't use an eye primer. I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define. I really like this, but I absolutely hate the smell, so I don't know what to think of it. I'm just gonna, the sun's come out and like the lighting is gonna be really weird, so I'm sorry. And then blend it out. Oh my god, the smell is disgusting. I don't know what it is, it just makes me feel sick. Okay, so I've had to move along a bit because the sun was in my eyes too much. But what I did there was just like pat the concealer in so it's not like streaky. So what I'm going to do now is just set the concealer in place with just a little fluffy flat brush and some white eyeshadow. I'm just using the one from the Morphe palette, but you can use any. Okay, so I'm just going to start by using this Morphe M321 brush. I've got a lot of Morphe brushes because I got them like from Christmas, but I've not washed them yet, and I've heard that when you wash them like bristles come out. But up to now they've been fine for me, and they were quite cheap because we're in the sale anyway. Dip into this blue shade here. So I'm just going to blend out this with a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M330. Blend. That's like kind of blended. It's kind of patchy on this eye and I don't know why, because I use these eyeshadows all the time and they never go patchy, but oh well. So I'm just going to take that same fluffy brush and just dip into that like lighter shade of blue. And I'm just gonna go straight on top of that. I did have the name sheet with like all the names on, but I lost it. I'm going with this lighter, like the brightest blue in the palette. Okay, so I don't know how well blended it looks on camera, but in person it looks really blended. And I'm quite proud of myself. So I'm gonna go in with some black, which is always risky. I've tried my hardest to blend the black, but I think that was a mistake. But I'm gonna do like a cut crease sort of thing. So what I'm gonna use is just this little brush. I have no idea where it came from. I don't know what make it is or anything, but I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use the Revolution foundation stick just to cut the crease because I find that works best. Okay, so this is what I've got so far and I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm going to put like a line over the cut crease, if that makes sense, like a white line. It's like the most wibbly wobbliest line ever, but I think I like it. So I've just put like shimmer on the lid. I put this shade, the second one from the James Charles palette. Everything that I've done on my eyes has been the James Charles palette except the line, which is Collection Fast Stroke Eyeliner, which I don't really like, but I can't find a good white eyeliner that doesn't crack. But I kind of like this so far. I've just put like a little bit underneath and I'm gonna like blend it out a bit more once I've put a bit of foundation and stuff on. So yeah, I'll do that off camera because that part's boring. I'm gonna put a bit of eyeliner on and then some lashes, and then that's the finished look. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. It was a bit all over the place because obviously I haven't filmed in ages and it's going to take some getting used to, like to get back into it. But I really enjoyed doing this, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give the video a like, share with your friends or something. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.